Are you looking to learn how to grow your YouTube channel and gain subscribers quickly? You've come to the right place. We'll show you all the hidden ways you can accelerate your growth on your channel. Hey, my name is Jingo. I'm going to talk about how to grow your YouTube channel. I'll share important tips on how to get more subscribers and grow your YouTube channel. Miracle! So, if you're looking to grow your channel, be sure to watch this video till the end. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, press the bell icon to know when a new video is uploaded, and comment down below if it's really helpful to you. So let's get started. Video content. The most important aspect of any YouTube video is the video content. If you want to grow your YouTube channel in a big way, you should pay attention to your YouTube video content. Before you start a YouTube channel, you should consider the topic for which you want to create your YouTube channel. Create your channel and upload videos related to the topic you've chosen. The main thing now is to rank your videos on YouTube, so upload a video related to your channel's topic. YouTube, like Google, is a search engine and one of the most popular in the world. YouTube videos frequently appear at the top of Google search results, and with proper optimization, your videos can appear there as well. To get your video to the top of the search engine results page, SERP, we recommend targeting keywords that already have video results. In your profile, video titles, and descriptions, you should ideally target keywords that receive a lot of monthly searches but have little competition. To begin, use a keyword research tool such as Keyword Tool, very descriptive, to identify keywords with high search volume.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
Again, you're looking for keywords that strike a delicate balance between high search volume and low competition. Do YouTube channel tags help? Tags are descriptive keywords or key phrases that you can include in your video to assist viewers in finding your content. When ranking content in search results, YouTube heavily considers your video's first few tags, particularly the first tag. Make certain that your first tag contains the primary keyword you want to target.
मजा नहीं आ रहा है.
Make excellent YouTube thumbnails. Your video thumbnail is most likely the most click-influencing element on your entire YouTube channel. Yes, your channel and title are important, but your thumbnail will be seen first by every user. Using a pre-populated screenshot from your video is a recipe for mediocrity and obscurity. Instead, use Canva or Photoshop to create one-of-a-kind custom thumbnails for each video. Optimize your profile. Now that you've determined which keywords to target, it's time to optimize your profile. For example, you might want to include an important keyword in the name of your YouTube channel. Finish your About Us section. Above and beyond its search value, your profile page is an excellent place to tell new visitors what you're all about. Title videos like a pro. After capturing a viewer's attention with your thumbnail, it's time to earn their click and view with your title. Is your video the most detailed? In addition to adding value, include relevant keywords in your title so that YouTube knows what your video is about and where to place it in search results. Post videos at the appropriate time. There is no single best time to post videos on YouTube for all types of videos and audiences. To measure engagement, we recommend experimenting with different times and checking your YouTube analytics. However, if you're looking for a starting point for determining the best time to post on YouTube, Frederator Network's data suggests that Thursday and Friday are the best days, with 3 p.m. resulting in the most engagement. Convert viewers to subscribers. Viewers watch your content and then leave, subscribers return for more. Make every effort to ensure that a one-time viewer subscribes to your channel before leaving the page and potentially never returning. Don't expect your viewers to subscribe. Instead, ask and remind them to do so.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Keep an eye on your metrics. YouTube analytics is a goldmine of channel insights. Here are a few metrics you should monitor on a regular basis. Views. Determine which of your videos receives the most views. This will tell you what types of content your audience prefers. New viewers versus returning viewers. Determine whether your subscribers are returning to watch the content or if you have a completely new audience. Types of traffic. Discover where your audience is finding your video uploading and SEO. Whether you're a blogger or a YouTuber, SEO is an important factor in both. SEO is very important for blog posts and YouTube videos because it promotes both videos and blogs. If you are a YouTuber, you should be aware that SEO can help you increase the number of views on your videos. You will be required to make your YouTube videos SEO friendly and to always keep the following points in mind. Video file name, video title, video description, video thumbnail, video tags, video quality, and keyword research when uploading the video to the YouTube channel. Make sure that you have correctly renamed the video.
तेरे पास कोई और रास्ता है?
Begin asking for subscribers. The most basic way to start increasing your subscriber count is to begin asking for it in your videos. Give your audience a compelling call to action in your videos and ask them to click the subscribe button directly above your video. Here's a 3-step formula for creating a compelling call to action in your video that makes subscribing to your channel a complete no-brainer. Tell them how to proceed. Tell them why they should do it. All of these SEO-related things will significantly improve and grow your YouTube channel. Good luck, guys, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a notification when I upload a video related to YouTube, and comment down on which topic I should make in the next video. Thank you all.